check this out. Here we go, ready? That's where I'm going. So, we're going over there. Bye. This is Iguazu Falls. It is in the lower part of the Amazon rainforest, and it only costs $60 round trip from Buenos Aires. It is 1.5 miles long, bigger than Niagara. This is a plush-crested jay. We only saw 2 of them in the Amazon. Beautiful. This is a wild toku toucan in the Amazon rainforest. These are coatis. They are everywhere in the lower Amazon. And as you can see, they are not shy. What are you guys doing? Cody. Uh-oh. Here he comes. Uh-oh. Here he comes. Here comes the Cody. He likes it. Cody. These are wild black capuchin monkeys. He's ignoring me. He's trying to break a nut. He's trying to break one of his nuts, I think. This is a leaf cutter ant. It's carrying a leaf. I don't know what this is. It is climbing up. Yep. I'm not sure what it is. It's climbing up. Okay, you gotta see how big this ant is. It is huge. It's the biggest ant that I've ever seen. I don't know if you can see my finger. I don't want to put it too close. See my finger? Look how big that thing is. Oh my god, that is huge. Let's see if I can see its pictures. Oh my god, look at those. Oh my god. That is the biggest ant I have ever seen. Iguazu Falls has many more animals, but these were just along the walkway as we made our way to the falls. Beautiful bird.